A modern defense network begins on the ground.
Inside, precision manufacturing unfolds.
Every component begins with raw materials.
High-grade metals arrive for inspection.
Each batch is tested for purity.
Materials are sorted and stored.
Precision cutting begins shaping components.
Heat strengthens structural integrity. Contaminants are removed completely. Casing takes precise form.
Sections are fused into one structure.
Internal flaws are eliminated.
Internal propulsion housing is prepared. Critical materials are handled under strict control.
Electronics form the system's brain.
Precision assembly occurs in sterile conditions.
Calibration ensures accuracy. Mobility systems are integrated.
All components come together.
Final systems undergo full testing.
Performance is verified digitally.
Finished systems are prepared for shipment.
Protection ensures safe transport. Systems await deployment. Distribution begins. From factory to field, the system becomes operational. Precision manufacturing defines modern defense.
Alloys are blended for strength and durability.
Raw material takes its first solid form. Controlled cooling prevents structural stress. Surfaces are refined to precision. Precision drilling ensures alignment. Parts are sorted for assembly. Coatings protect against corrosion. Materials are tested under extreme heat. Seals ensure system integrity. Internal connections are carefully routed. Modules are integrated into the system.
Control systems come online.
Pressure resistance is verified.
Durability is tested under stress. Precision calibration ensures accuracy.
Final assembly completes the system.
Finishing gives durability and identity. Each unit is uniquely identified.
Packaging ensures safe handling.
Systems are moved for delivery.
The finished systems begin their journey. Systems arrive at regional storage and integration facilities. Heavy-duty unloading begins with precision handling.
Each delivery is logged and verified.
Units are stored in controlled environments.
Environmental conditions are constantly monitored. Systems undergo final inspection before deployment.
Activation checks confirm readiness.
Convoys prepare for final deployment.
Transport continues across vast distances. Systems reach their operational environment.
Precise positioning ensures operational stability.
Systems transition into active configuration.
Detection systems come online.
Operators manage system operations in real time. Signals are processed and analyzed instantly. Systems synchronize for unified operation.
Final readiness is confirmed. Systems remain active around the clock.
Advanced imaging enhances detection capability.
A network of systems covers vast territory. Engineering precision extends far beyond the factory floor.
Each day begins with careful inspection of operational systems.
Inside the control center, systems are continuously monitored. Data flows in real time, analyzed instantly.
Routine maintenance ensures long-term reliability.
Thermal systems regulate internal temperatures. Communication links maintain constant connectivity.
Together, the systems operate as a unified network.
From sunrise to sunset, operations never stop.
In silence, the systems remain vigilant.
A process of precision, engineering, and constant readiness.